Determine, to figure out or decide something. Example, I will determine the best route to school. Explore, to investigate or discover new things. Example, let's explore the forest and find interesting animals. Analyze, to examine or study closely. Example, scientists analyze rocks to learn about the Earth's history. Assist, to help or give support. Example, I will assist my friend with their homework. Capture, to catch or take control of something. Example, the photographer will capture beautiful moments at the wedding. Comprehend, to understand or grasp the meaning of something. Example, it's important to comprehend the instructions before starting the project. Identify, to recognize or name something. Example, can you identify the different types of birds in the park? Invent, to create or make something new. Example, Thomas Edison helped invent the light bulb. Narrate, to tell a story or describe events. Example, the author will narrate an exciting adventure in the book. Predict, to guess or foretell what might happen. Example, meteorologists predict the weather using special tools. React, to respond or show a reaction to something. Example, how will you react when you see a surprise gift? Summarize, to give a brief explanation of the main points. Example, can you summarize the plot of the story in a few sentences? Evaluate, to judge or assess the value or quality of something. Example, teachers evaluate students' work to provide feedback. Communicate, to share information or exchange thoughts. Example, people use phones to communicate with each other. Construct, to build or create something. Example, architects construct buildings with careful planning. Investigate, to examine closely and search for information. Example, detectives investigate mysteries to find clues. Compare, to find similarities and differences between two or more things. Example, let's compare the sizes of these two animals. Observe, to watch carefully and pay attention to details. Example, scientists observe plants to understand their growth. Distinguish, to recognize the differences between things. Example, Can you distinguish between different colors? Achieve, to successfully reach a goal or complete a task. Example, with hard work, you can achieve your dreams.